Transistors are fundamental components in modern electronics, having replaced vacuum tubes to enable smaller, more efficient, and reliable devices. This micro-tutorial explores the functionality, applications, and practical use of transistors in electronic projects. As semiconductor devices, transistors can function as switches or amplifiers, controlling electrical signals in various devices such as radios, computers, and smartphones. Their ability to regulate current or voltage flow is essential for effective signal processing. A typical transistor consists of 3 layers of semiconductor material, usually silicon, which are doped to create p-type and n-type regions. The 3 terminals of a transistor are the emitter, base, and collector. The emitter releases charge carriers into the base region, while the base serves as the control terminal that governs the flow of these carriers from the emitter to the collector. The collector then gathers the charge carriers, completing the circuit. Understanding how transistors work opens up numerous possibilities for electronics enthusiasts, allowing them to build and innovate with various electronic circuits.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.